Chachal Gniyamingala Srivinay, Kamsang Inale. Okay, you might be wondering what I am speaking or why I am dressed like this. What I have just spoken is a native Ladakhi language. Ladakhi, Tibetan, Urdu and Balti are the official languages of Ladakh, and this is a traditional dress wear of Ladakh. Men traditionally wear a thick woolen robe called gaucha. It is tied and fastened at the neck and the waist by a colorful sash called skirak. Women also wear a similar kind of gaucha, but it is known as punta. Ladakh is a cold desert and a beautiful region administered by the government of India and a part of Kashmir. Encircled by the Karakoram mountains in the top and the Great Himalayas in the south, it presents a picturesque sight ranging from a altitude of 25,000 feet to 9,000 feet. Ladakh's history is mostly influenced by the Tibetans. The Ladakh Buddhists had a cultural and social affinity with Tibet for many years. And coming for food, chunagi and stew, the dumpling soups are the famous and the signature dishes. Ladakh, a place with super abundance of attractions and fabulous landscapes, amazing people and culture. Ladakh is truly one of the paradises of the country. 50% of the gross national income is coming from the tourism. Rich in Buddhism and its culture, Ladakh's main attraction is its monasteries, showcasing its history, culture and principles. These monasteries are historically and religiously important and hold the Buddhist heritage alive, and they run as the educational and religious centers. Huge and vibrant colored masks, men and women wearing these gorgeous Ladakhi clothes, and archery being a traditional sport is a common sight in Ladakhi festivals. Another famous tourist spot is the sparkling blue Pangong Lake in the Himalayas, which appears to be changing its colors and being a hotspot for many tourists and the ending scene of 3 Idiots. Another tourist attraction is the popular magnetic hill or the gravity-defying hill, where vehicle moves upwards the hill when parked at a marked location. Trekking is another to-do activity by the tourists, and there are plenty of adventure trekking spots to experience in Ladakh. This is all about Ladakh, the so-called gateway of heaven in the country.